Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted, but I'm back. Today I want to show you how I made this Kenyan bracelet, and let's get started. And if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Desmabloom. You can find me also on TikTok, and I make these beaded bracelets on order. You can also WhatsApp me. My number is on the TikTok account with the same name, Desmabloom. Yeah, so let's make this beaded bracelet together. And also don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Leave me a comment also. Let me know what you'd like me to make next, or if you like my work also let me know on the comment section. I hope you follow every step that I will make here, and also soon I will start going live. We used to go live, and I stopped because I had no good camera. My phone broke, and now I'm back. I have a better camera, you can see here. So I will let you know on my post here on YouTube when I'll start going live, and I always go live every morning East Africa time. So I hope you subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I'm live or I've added a new video, you get the notification. To have this pattern here, you're going to have, first of all, 6 black beads, then you're going to have 4 green beads, followed by 2 white beads, 4 red beads, and 2 white beads, 4 green beads, and 6 black beads finally. Now from here we are going to start making the shield. I hope you've seen the Kenyan flag, how it looks like, the shield part. Now we're starting to make it. You first of all, this time you're going to count 5 black beads, 1 white bead, then the rest will be the same. And also towards the end you will also repeat the same beads, the white and also the 5 black beads. The 6 black beads will now reduce to 5 because now we introduced the 1 white. On the next line, the 5 black beads will remain to be 5. We are now going to add 2 white beads instead of 1, unlike the previous line. This time we are going to add 2 white, and the green beads will reduce to 3, from 4 beads to 3 green beads. Then the next one is 2 white, then 4 red, 2 white, 3 green, 2 white, and finally 5 black. We're still on the shield. This time we are going to count 6 beads. We are now going to add 1 bead on the black. The previous one was 5 beads, and now it's 6. We added 1, and we'll maintain the 2 white beads. The green ones will reduce to 2, and then 2 white, 4 red, 2 white, 2 green, 2 white, and finally 6 black. I hope you can see now how the pattern is moving, and this time we are adding more black, and from 6 black now we are going to count 7 black, 2 white, 2 will maintain 2, and the green one is now reducing to 1 green, and then the white part will remain 2 white. Then we'll add now, instead of red, we'll add 4 black, 2 white, 1 green, 2 white, and 7 black. To have our next line, we're counting again to make the 5th line. We are going to add on the black beads, and this time we are having 8 black beads and 8 black beads and 4 white beads. Again, we are having 4 red, 4 white beads, and finally 8 black beads. Our pattern has started to have some shape, and let's move on. This time we are going to have 9 black beads, 2 white beads, and the red beads is we're going to add red. Previously they were 4, and now we're going to have 6 red, 2 white again, and 9 black beads. On this line now we lost white and we're only doing black beads and red beads. So you're going to start counting 10 black beads, 8 red beads, and finally 10 black beads. And make sure when you're passing your needle through the beads, you are passing it above the threads that you can see there. Now we are on the middle part. Let's make the middle part. This time we are going to introduce again. We are going to reintroduce white, and the black beads will reduce to 9. Then you're going to have 1 red, 3 white, 1 red, 2 white, 1 red, 3 white, 1 red, and finally 9 black. Now from here we are going to repeat everything that we've done, but going backwards. I hope you understand. I don't know how to explain, but yeah, it's like we're just repeating everything from here. Everything we reduce. Like this time I'm going to have again 10 black, 8 red, and finally 10 black. So guys, I hope if you follow every step that I told you here, you're going to have something like this. Yeah, so this is the shield that we were making, and I hope yours look like this. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you subscribe for more if you're new here. Thank you and bye. See you next time.